Hello students, my name is Rishu Sabharwal, your English teacher. In this video, we'll discuss English writing skills and a very important topic, letter to the editor. Letter to the editor is a formal letter. Formal letter is written to governmental bodies and organizations, business corporation and superior authorities. Letter to the editor is also a type of a formal letter where reader expresses his or her views through the medium of newspaper or journal. So, in this short video, we'll discuss how to write a letter to the editor. We will also discuss the format of writing letter to the editor, and then we will take an example to make it more clear. So, let's start. First of all, why we write letter to the editor? Letter to the editor are formal means of communication written in response to a report, a survey, or an article published in a newspaper, a magazine, or a journal. They could be written to praise an article, a news report, or even to criticize them. They must be written soon after reading a report or an article, or else they lose their relevance. Now look at the format of writing letter to the editor. First of all, you have to start your letter with sender's address. Sender means the one who is sending the letter. If in your question address of that person is not given, then you have to start your letter with examination hall. Then write down date. Then after writing date, write down the editor, name of the newspaper, address of the newspaper, and then subject. Subjects, why are you writing the letter? What is your concern? Try to complete your subject in a single line. Then salutation, dear or respected sir. Then write down body of the letter. Normally the body of the letter is divided into 2 to 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you have to describe the introduction. An introduction, why are you writing that letter? In second paragraph, you have to describe the problem with its causes and effect. And in third paragraph, you have to give some measures so that the problem can be uprooted. Then you have to close your letter by a complimentary close, yours truly, your signature and your name. Now take an example. You are Ravi Gupta, a resident of Delhi. Your colony is facing the severe problem of contaminated and inadequate water supply. You decide to express your views and make the authorities aware of the situation by writing a letter to the editor of the Times of India, New Delhi. Now, in this question, the address of Ravi Gupta is not given. So, you have to start this letter with examination hall. Examination hall, Delhi, date, the editor, the Times of India, Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, New Delhi. Subject, contaminated and inadequate water supply in our locality. Dear sir, through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of civic authorities to the contaminated and inadequate supply of water in our locality. Also, the supply of water is impure. It is unhygienic and inadequate. The waterborne disease may break out in a form of epidemic if the problem is not properly addressed too. It is unfortunate that the local civic authority do not take care to provide the citizens with even the basic amenities such as proper and adequate water supply. In our locality, water is supplied for 3 hours in the morning, and for the rest of the day, the taps remain dry. It is expected that instead of ignoring the issue, the authorities concerned will take an immediate steps. Now, in this you have to write 2-3 steps to ensure supply of adequate and potable water in our locality so that we residents are able to live disease-free and healthy life. Yours truly, Ravi Gupta. Now, you can start your letter in another way also. Examination hall, date, the editor, the Times of India, Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, New Delhi, subject, sir. I wish to provide some perspective from the. Here you have to write down the topic which is given according to the question with regard to a recent editorial that appeared in your newspaper. Then second paragraph, you have to describe the problem with its causes and effect. Third, it is proposed that suggest some measures here, 2 to 3 measures should be provided at the earliest so that this menace can be uprooted. Look forward to an early action by concerned authorities. Thanking you, yours truly. Name is not given, write down XYZ. So this is all. We have discussed letter to the editor in this video. Hope you like the video and I hope you are able to understand how to write a letter to the editor. Thanks for watching.